How to withdraw money from PayPal to Mpesa on mobile. This is what I'm going to show you in this video. First, open any browser on your mobile phone such as Google Chrome or Opera Mini. Then go to the PayPal mobile money website. You can find the link in the description below for your convenience. Once the page is open, it should look similar to mine. Next, tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right hand of your screen, then tap on Login. Please note that this process will be easier if you've already linked your PayPal to your Mpesa. If you haven't done so yet and would like to learn how, you can find a video on my channel or check the link in the first comment. Now on the login page, sign in with your PayPal credentials, which are your email address and password. Tap on Login to proceed. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, you'll need to provide the 6-digit code you receive via SMS or email to verify it's you. Enter the codes and click Next. After that, you'll be redirected back to the PayPal mobile money website, this time signed in with your PayPal account. The next step is to click on the Withdraw from PayPal button. It's the first option. You'll see the available balance in your PayPal account. In my case, I have $3. Below that, you'll find a blank rectangle where you need to enter the amount of money you want to withdraw. If you want to withdraw all of it, simply fill $3. Once you're done, tap Continue. On the next screen, you'll see the total amount you want to withdraw from your PayPal account as well as the equivalent amount in Kenyan shillings. The exchange rate will be displayed below. Note that exchange rates can vary. In my case, for $3, the rate was $1 equals to 132 Kenyan shillings 43 cents. So I will receive 397 Kenyan shillings in total. Finally, tap on the Confirm button and your money will be sent to your mobile phone in just a few seconds. That's it. You have successfully learned to withdraw money from your PayPal to Mpesa on your mobile phone. It's a simple process. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, and stay tuned for more content.